Hey there, YouTube. What is up? It's Vanilla Lime Coke, and so anyway, apparently, uh, when I reviewed this, I kind of did it wrong. So I want to show you, something like how you're supposed to, I guess, do this. You're supposed to pour the whole can into your glass or container. But I was just taste testing it, and, so I thought it might be interesting if I do pour the whole thing in, because that's what you're supposed to do. It does say, now it says chill can, this isn't chilled, so probably gonna have to do the video again. I'll do it with the other Pepsi, how's that? Because this is what it looks like, this is what it's supposed to look like if you pour the whole can in. But my uncle said to really get the authentic taste of the vanilla and all, or the cream, you do want it to be warm. So that's what I'm gonna do. Hopefully it's gonna look like this, but I have a feeling now it might look more like this. That one there. I'm gonna pause the video just for a second to open. Oh no, because you want to hear that sound. Sorry, it's been a rough. I've been having it rough lately. I want to go there. Really, really, really. Let's just open the can. Let's just open the can. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'll do it at the 2-minute mark. Ready? Ooh. Of course, just went all over the place. That's okay. I just made a Frisian mess all over the floor. Let me pause it just for a second. Alright. I think I got the worst of it up. I need a vacation. But anyway, supposed to pour the whole thing in. Gosh, I hope I have enough room here. And as you can see, more false advertising. I don't even have a head. It's okay, I'll try the chilled version maybe. This, yeah. Doesn't even look like this one here. Let alone this one. More stories and shenanigans. I'm gonna pay for this, drinking all this so quickly, because I have work tomorrow. At least you can taste the vanilla here. Should I chug this whole thing? I don't know if I should finish this or not. The stress is not good. I need to drink that much in a minute. It's not good. My stomach's starting to really. I'll try it with a chilled can. They don't. I was gonna get a blue can, the regular Pepsi, just the draft cola. They're sold out. That's all they had, so that's why I got this version. Yes, and when I do get the blue can, the regular draft cola, I'll make sure I do it in the kitchen over the sink, so I'm getting spillage again. Probably half the phone went on the floor. That's where it all went. Alright. I'm too tired to, just do those things you do with YouTube and the internet. And thank you for watching.